explore your data and share insights with confidence. This is your introduction to Glow's inbuilt data analysis capabilities. We cover more advanced analysis capabilities such as advanced filters, SIG testing, and choice configuration in another video. Once your survey starts collecting data, head to the Analyze tab to dive into the results. You'll see the Views tab on the left where each question is listed, the table right side showing response data, and an auto-generated chart above each table. These tables and charts are fully customizable. We'll get to that soon. Next to Views is the Filters tab, which helps you slice your data by demographics, time periods, answers to questions, or any combination of those. To cut your data by different groups, click the Filters tab and hit Create Filter. To give our filter a name such as 55+-year-olds. Then scroll to the relevant question or type it into the search bar, for example, age, and choose the condition, for example, any of 55 years and over. Click Done. Now you've created a custom filter. Let's use it. Filters let you uncover deeper insights easily. To apply, click a question in Views, and in the table, click the plus filter button next to the All column. Select your filters, for example, gender and location, then add. Your table updates instantly, and the chart above updates too, showing a visual crosstab of your filters. For example, imagine you ask customers about checkout satisfaction. With filters, you can now see how satisfaction varies by gender or location. Visual crosstabs work on choice, rank, matrix, constant sum, loop questions, and more. In the Views tab, use the drop-down menu on each view to duplicate a question, reorder, remove from the dashboard view, or make private where it's visible to you but hidden from shared dashboards. For example, you might duplicate a question 3 times, one original, one filtered by income, one by generation, and one by retailer. Each tells a new story fast. Conversely, you can remove views to distill your dashboard down to just the essential questions. In this survey, we have 53 questions removed, but can easily restore them within the Excluded Views tab at the bottom. You can also rename your views by just clicking on the chart title or highlighting what you want to edit, then start typing. And click outside the title to confirm. You can likewise rename your dashboard title, for example, from Have Your Say to Checkout Satisfaction. Use dashboards to focus attention and share relevant insights with specific stakeholders. To create, click the plus button in the dashboard bar, or click Duplicate to copy an existing dashboard with filters included. For example, you might have a generation dashboard for age-based insights and a household income dashboard for financial comparisons. Create as many dashboards as you like. To update your chart palette, click the theme icon on the left and pick a new palette within the drop-down or create your own, and either apply it to a single view or all views. Want to align your dashboard to a brand color? Easy. Click the Share icon to generate a public link to your dashboards. Your client will see your logo on the top left and only the views you've included, as well as the ability to download their own workbook or PowerPoint, and full flexibility to use and create their own filters, but these will reset to your original version when the page is refreshed. There's no login required to access shared dashboards. Want to take your data out in another format? Glow's got you covered. You can download all data tables to Excel with one tab per view, or download all charts to PowerPoint with one slide per view. One click for structured, ready-to-use data or charts. For full raw data exports, we've got a CSV, which is text-based and good for general use, an XLSX, which is numeric and a clean structure for deeper analysis, and an SPSS compatible XLSX, which is ready to import into SPSS to get a sub file for advanced stats. You'll find these options in the Download tab. That's the basics of Glow's analysis engine. In just a few clicks, you can slice your data, build custom dashboards, share insights securely, and download everything else for deeper dives. Insights shouldn't be complicated.